Very nice guys video. Push a little bit. It's very hard to transfer. Push. Push. Yes, push a little bit. Oh my god, patay. Start. Easy start guys, easy start. Good morning world. We are here now again. We are serving you this kind of content, and this is our content to offer you guys. They are using 3 total power tiller here and the file phase. Just keep on watching guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Guys, like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you.
Very nice. Woo. Big lot guys in the rice field. Big perimeter. But don't worry guys, they are using a 3 total power tiller. They will finish it in a short time guys. Just watch it guys. Oh, very nice video. Very nice guys. Look at that guys. Batuk. Three total power tiller. Very nice guys. Oh my god. This is the father, an old man, but serving you, working a job like that. Nice. Thank you guys for all your support to this channel.